A very good evening to all of you from the Valley of the Sanskar Valley School. It is really a great occasion to be on. This is the first ever virtual fest that we've created just for you students of Shikhar. We were toying with the ideas of trying many different things online to see what would bring out the abilities of the students. We hit the jackpot with the Sanskar Valley Fest. And we are so happy to make it the Sanskar Virtual Fest, SVF. Now, there are two people who have headed this and have been at the helm of this. We have the new Dean of Sports, Mr. Nived Mishra, and of course, Ms. Priya Mishra, the Dean of Activities, who has done this for many years, in many different ways, of course. I would like to now formally introduce Mr. Nived Mishra. He comes to us with 14 years of national and international experience. He has been on the Polish cricket team, he has been on the junior national cricket team, he has been on the varsity combined cricket teams as well. He is also an ICC level 2 coach. Now when it comes to his abilities, he has settled in very well. He has given all of his experiences a staged form, and the evidence of that is with the work that he has done this time. His staff members are very happy with him, and so are we. And we believe that he's going to take the experiences he's had thus far and take Sanskar to better heights, because we have some very talented children in the field of sports. Now, I would like to talk to you about the kind of numbers we had for this festival. Sports, of course, interested many of the boys, and there were 105 entries. When you come to the girls, they did not want to be left far behind, and we had 90 entries, and some of the sit-ups really had us amazed by the quality that they could do within a minute. Coming to the activities, we had 132 entries, with doodle art being the highest number. Over time, we realized that what was going to be a problem for us was the judgment, because the entries at this level, with the kind of situations we have during lockdown, were fantastic. The backdrops that the dancers chose to dance in, the kind of musical work that the children have done with 4 or 5 people in different places, putting it off together as one video. The kind of cycling that was done, the running that was done on the roads with the parents going with them, that was fantastic work, parents. I could go on and on, but I think we are gathered this evening to talk about and to watch the performances and of course know who the winners are. We will go on tomorrow, but for today, as usual, with every festival that we have, with every celebration we have, we start with the school song. So now all of us will, for the first time virtually, sing the Sanskar school song.
Creativity doesn't wait for that perfect moment. It fashions its own perfect moments out of the ordinary ones. It is inventing, experimenting, making mistakes, and having fun. Exactly what the ideals of SVF seeks to achieve. A very hearty good evening to one and all present here. Today I, Unisha Murab, the head girl of the Sanskar Valley School, welcomes you to the first ever Sanskar Virtual Fest, an amalgamation of music, arts, drama, dance, and sports. So without any delay, let's get on with it. It is said that dance is the hidden language of our soul. That to dance is to be out of ourselves, larger, more powerful, more beautiful. It is the power on the earth. It is the glory of the world, and it is yours for taking. We have for you now some glimpses of Nritya, a classical solo dancing competition, whereby participants showed their exemplary skills and understanding of a particular dance form, with improvised costumes, shaky cameras, and confined spaces. The participants left no stone unturned to make sure that their performance was the one to remember.
संपदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते।
जटाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्य लम्बितां भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकान्तमड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिवम् प्रफुल्लनीलपङ्कज प्रपञ्चकालिमप्रभावलम्बिकण्ठकन्दली रुचिप्रबद्धकन्धरं स्मरच्छिदं पुरच्छिदं भवच्छिदं मखच्छिदं गजच्छिदान्धकच्छिदं तमन्तकच्छिदं भजे।
धिक्कदान दगिनदा धान दिकिट तकिट तिकिट दिक्कदान दगिनदा तक धुम
As very aptly put by Einstein, how wonderful it is that nobody need wait a single moment before starting to change the world. Since the very beginning of time, there have been several such influential people around the world, personalities with unique traits and abilities that have made their presence known. Quite often, people try to talk, act, and behave like them. Some might say even impersonate them. The interesting bit about today's competition is that you have to be the character. Bring out their qualities and not impersonate them. I, Isha Multunani, would like to welcome you to the ballooning competition.
Namaste to everyone. I am Ramdev Baba. My real name is Ramkrishna Yadav.
Acting is to reveal your emotions, your feelings in a very natural way.
Lady Gaga, that's me. Hi, I solemnly swear not to bore you today.
I'm an Italian Catholic, hence I grew up with a lot of guilt.
I believe that we're all capable of making revolutions, creating revolutions. And you'll ask me how?
I didn't really know that I would become the CEO. And this is what defines me.
My dad once told me, always do the right thing in life and have compassion in your heart.
I would like to thank my team, my friends, my family for this, and would like to give a big shout out to my dad, who's my hero.
There are only few people in the world who shows their vulnerable side, their fearful side, their sensitive side.
But most of you know me as Mamta Banerjee. I have carried out numerous movements in my lifetime.
Namaste. I, Ramkrishna Yadav, famously known as Baba Ramdev, an entrepreneur, a yoga guru of Hama.
Hey gang, I'm Kylie Kristen Jenner. Most of you might know me because of my family or my achievements. I was the Forbes' youngest self-made billionaire and the Times' most influential teen of 2014 and 15.
In 2015, I started my own cosmetic line called Kylie Lip Kits.
Good thing. I'm Joanne Rowling, popularly known as JK Rowling.
I work on a basic ideology that your work and your contribution speaks for you. It doesn't matter that which gender you are.
Wrestling for everyone is just a sport, but for me it is my life, my career and my whole world.
Hello everyone, it's Nick Jonas. Most of you probably know me, but for those who don't, I'm a singer, a songwriter, an actor, a performer. But one thing you all must know about me, I'm an amazing husband. You've seen me grow up in front of your eyes, from my Disney days to who I am now. Even though I'm the youngest member of my band, the Jonas Brothers, and the second youngest of my family, it would be safe to say that I'm the most charming, the most favorite, and the leader of the band, Jonas Brothers. The Jonas Brothers, we were such a big hit and our chemistry was undeniable, so we were signed by Disney for our own show, Jonas. While we were all pursuing our solo careers and having families, I also was a superstar, which I have always been, but due to the lack of a warm family figure around me, I met the most beautiful, the most intelligent, the most charming person of my life, Priyanka. That was Nick Jonas in 2 minutes. I hope you all are doing safe, stay at home, be happy, love you all. Bye!
Good morning ladies and gentlemen, this is Republic TV and we are talking about Shiv Sena today. But before starting, I would like to offer my deepest condolences to Shiv Sena, their chairperson Uddhav Thackeray, and my offer extends to Sanjay Raut as well. Because the way that they are carrying themselves, the delusions that they are in, and all this mischief that they are conducting makes me doubt their existence in near future. First of all, you tried to hurt me. You threatened Republic. Why? Because we are preachers of truth and you fear it. Do you? Then you demolished Kangana's house. Why, Uddhav Thackeray? Why? Because you are intimidated by her roar, or you have some insecurities. then you put my reporter into jail just because he asked some details about Chief Minister's farmhouse. And just recently, your Sena has beaten an ex-naval officer because he forwarded a WhatsApp message that might have said something wrong about you and your Sena. What is this happening? Nation wants to know, are you trying to establish a dictatorship? Why is Mumbai in a situation like emergency? Why? मुन्ना, तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी.
मात लभते स्वास्थ्यम दीर्घायुष्यम बलम सुखम आरोग्यम परमम भाग्यम स्वास्थ्यम सर्वार्थ साधक. A Sanskrit shloka which means yoga gives you a long and healthy life, strength and happiness. Being healthy is the ultimate destiny and all other actions are proved by health. Ladies and gentlemen, I, Swami Ramdev, popularly known as Yoga Guru, did not start recommending this yoga suddenly to people. In my childhood, when the left side of my body was completely paralyzed, it was yoga and Ayurveda which gave me a new life. That is why I want to spread this yoga to the entire world. And I've been quite successful. Because today, the entire world celebrates an International Yoga Day on 21st June. As you people know, I do support a political party. But I do not receive equal amount of support back from that political party. अब आप ही बताइए, गोमूत्र तक पर GST लगा दिया गया है. But moving on, however, I remember people used to call me uneducated and illiterate. And today, the same uneducated person is a business tycoon with a net worth of more than $5 billion. और मैं दूसरों की बातों पे ध्यान नहीं देता, क्योंकि जब मैंने चारकोल और नमक से दांत साफ करने की आयुर्वेद की पुरानी नीति का जिक्र किया था, तो कई ब्रांड्स ने मुझे असभ्य कहकर संबोधित किया. और आज उन्हीं ब्रांड्स के ऐड आते हैं टीवी पे. यहाँ पे एक महिला हाथ में माइक लिए लोगों से पूछती फिरती हैं, आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक है? टुडे आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट आई ऑलवेज केयर अबाउट इंडिया एंड इट्स पीपल. When the entire world was busy finding the vaccine for coronavirus, Patanjali stood up and we brought Coronil. We might have done some mistake because of which Coronil is not approved, but I assure you people that to fight coronavirus, Coronil 2.0 will be coming soon. Jai Hind.
Without craftsmanship, inspiration is a mere reed shaken in the wind. It is rightfully said that he who works with his hands is a laborer. He who works with his hands and his head is a craftsman. And he who works with his hands, his head and his heart is an artist. Today I, Anshul Rai Vyas, would like to welcome you all to the Sanskar Valley Virtual Fest art segment.
Not only builds better athletes but also better people. Never say never, because limits, like fears, are often just an illusion. And with this thought today, I, Yuvraj Dawani, the sports captain, would like to welcome you all to the Sanskar Virtual Fest sports segment. Your body can stand almost anything. It's your mind that you have to convince. Good evening and welcome to the Sanskar Virtual Fest Sit-Up Challenge. A challenge that trained our students to push beyond their limits. That made them understand that they needed to strive for progress and not perfection. Our students truly gave their all in this challenge. So without any delay, let's start the presentations. Hi friends, I'm Vishud Mishra from class 10E. I have represented Satya House in all 4 of the events: running, cycling, sit-ups and push-ups. I am a national level skater and a position holder for marathon. But due to the pandemic, I stopped practicing. The Sanskar Virtual Fest gave me opportunity to showcase my talent and skill and motivated me to start practicing again. I thank the sports department of the school for organizing the event, Panda sir and principal ma'am for approving it. It was very adventurous and thrilling for recording the videos for all the events, but especially of running when dogs were chasing me, but I successfully managed to complete the distance in a satisfactory time. Thank you.
It has been a wonderful experience taking part in such a great event. Though it was a very challenging task for me to do maximum number of sit-ups in 1 minute. But to be honest, before this event, even I didn't realize about my abilities and that I could perform so well.
I'm Nitin and I participated in the 1 minute sit-up challenge. It was a great experience and I'm grateful for the school to give me an opportunity to express myself. Even though it was tough, I had to push myself and achieve my goal.
So I just completed my 5-kilometer run and I'm a bit tired. It was fun though, and I mainly focused on my speed as it was a small race. And I would like to thank Sanskar family for giving me an opportunity to come out of the safe zone and preparing for this event and living a healthier life. And at last, I would like to thank all the teachers who encouraged me to do it and helped me a lot in this lockdown period for taking a step forward for my fitness goals. And that's it.
And I'm in class 9-3. I belong to the Prabir House. When I first got to know about this event, I was really excited that the school is taking an initiative to do something creative. I finally had something to do in this lockdown. I took part in the sit-ups challenge, the solo classical dance and the doodle art. So our teachers really helped us clear our doubts and held webinars and Q&A sessions which really helped us throughout the fest, and it was a great help.
Those sports activities, I feel more energetic and confident. I thank Sanskar team for this great opportunity. Go Green, go Praveen.
Sanskar Virtual Fest provided a unique opportunity where participants raced against each other on a virtual platform. A challenge that was taken on passionately by our very own talented sports person. Let's take a look at the runners, each one pushing boundaries and challenging themselves to achieve their goals.
very thankful to the teachers and my parents who guided me and inspired me, motivated me to participate in the virtual fest, and the experience was really nice and unique in the lockdown.
Running the 3 kilometer was very refreshing as it was a break from my daily schedule. This was my first ever virtual fest and it triggered enthusiasm in me, looking forward for more such events in the future.
Hello everyone, this is Subhanshi Then from grade 12 and today I am here to share my experience about the Sanskar Virtual Fest that was organized recently. I was a part of the 3 kilometer running challenge and this challenge has helped me to reactivate my dormant sports spirit in the middle of the pandemic. Thank you.
Hello, this is Anushka Agarwal of class 9A from Uddam House. I have participated in 5 kilometers of running. The experience was very good and I enjoyed it a lot. Thank you.
I have completed my race now and I am very grateful to the Sanskar Valley School to provide me such an amazing opportunity to participate in a wonderful sports event in this period with lots and lots of more energy and enthusiasm.
I hope I get to take part more in competitions like this. Even though it was very hectic and very tiring, I had a lot of fun doing this challenge.
And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the end of day 1 of the Sanskar Virtual Fest. We hope you liked the lineup today and we'll meet again tomorrow with more fun-filled and exciting presentations. The house trophies and awards will also be announced tomorrow. Thank you for joining us.
Good evening viewers, all the students, parents, teachers, for being a part of this lovely event, out of the box event called the Sanskar Virtual Fest. So many events, so many competitions, so many participants, and when it boils down to the final one, I think the contribution of each and every one counts a lot. So first of all, thank you all the participants, thank you all the parents who have spared their time to encourage the participants, record them, and then to sustain this over a period of time. I think we are indebted to all of you for this effort. Out of this, on this day 1, we have seen exciting participations in dance. We all know Yashika, Oli and Sanskriti as great dancers, well deserved. Viral, Jhalak, Nikita, fantastic artist, very nicely done artwork. And when it comes to public speaking and ballooning, I think the usual suspects like Kushagra and Mritika and surprise entries like Shivam. That was the idea, to have as much participation, to have as much enthusiastic, inclination towards this event. And I think on the day 1, looking at this, I think we have succeeded a lot. It is for this effort, it's a tribute to the effort that everybody has put, that really makes Sanskar stand apart from everybody else and everyone else. So thank you so much. We have really come together as a community, as I can look at the participation numbers and the kind of quality that has come. So thank you so much, each one of you. I don't want to discredit anybody, but I think everyone who have put their effort, all the teachers, the IT team, the sports teachers, the activity teachers, very well deserved. And thank you so much, each one of you. We remain ever grateful to you for this participation. These acts actually, make Sanskar stand apart as a community, and Shikhar is a part of it. So thank you so much. We'll come with a lot more tomorrow. Wait for it. Lot of excitement in the package. Good night and God bless.